Got a 2026 Armada Pro-4X. Got a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6. You also got the gloss black, Pro-4X wheels. Got side steps, adaptive air suspension. You also got a 14.3 touchscreen display. Got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Got your terrain selector, heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start. Got premium leather seats. Also got active lane management, cruise control. Got the second row, which also has got the captain's chairs package. It's your HVAC controls for the rear, third row seating. You also got KLIPSCH premium audio. It's got a receiver hitch or tow package, backup camera, power liftgate. As you can see, the cover for the receiver hitch is missing. That is included with the vehicle. Got power folding seats. Just one click of a button. Closes your tailgate. LED lighting.